Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday September 19 to Saturday September 25, 2021, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Crest toothpaste, scoop mouthwash or toothbrush deal. Scenario 1, buy 3 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Crest scoop toothpaste. It's $7.98. Also you can buy 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush is $3.99 each. So my totals come out $11.97. You can use 1/5 of 3 Crest Oral Care digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Also you can use $2 of Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. So the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $4.97 and get back $5 ECB. So my final cost is free plus 3-cent money maker. But if you have 5 of 20 Crest Oral Care CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 3 and get back $5 ECB and it's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 3 Crest Complete toothpaste is $11.97. Also you can buy 2 scoop mouthwash 1 liter is $7.98. Also you can buy 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush is $3.99. So the totals come out $23.94. You can use 1/5 of 20 Crest Oral Care CVS CRT. Use $2 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. Use $2 of Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. Use $1 of scoop mouthwash digital coupon and use 1/5 of 3 Crest Oral Care digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $8.94 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.06 money maker. My next deal is Select Colgate Total Oral Care deal. Spend 10 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. So you can buy 1 Colgate Total toothpaste 3 OZ is $4.79 and buy 1 Colgate Total toothpaste 4.8 OZ it's $5.49. So the totals come out $10.28, but make sure you can check which Colgate toothpaste is included in this deal. So you can use 1/2 of 5 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also you can use 3 of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Maybe it's higher value or maybe the lower value. We can check back on Sunday because they say send to card, so we can get something on the digital coupon, but I'm not sure how much for the value of the digital coupon, so check on the Sunday, but I assume the 3 of 2. So that coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $5.28 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just 28 cents or 14 cents each. My next deal is Select Colgate Renewal toothpaste, toothbrush or mouthwash deal. Spend 15 and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. So you can buy 2 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ is $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Also you can buy 1 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ it's $9.99. So my totals come out $29.97. You can use 1/5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also you can use 1/3 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. We not sure right now how much the value of the digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch with the $3 of Colgate Gum Renewal and the $3 of Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste. So my total coupon is $14. I just pay $15.97 and get back $14 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.97 or 65 cents each. The next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl and get back $6 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl lipstick, it's $9.49. So the totals come out $22.57. You can use 1/6 of 20 CoverGirl cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $2 of CoverGirl lip app only coupon. Use $2 of CoverGirl cosmetic digital coupon and use $2 of CoverGirl cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $10.57 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just $4.57 or $1.52 each. My next deal is Maybelline cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 2 Maybelline Expert Wear Twin Brow Eye Pencil. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. You can use 1/3 of Maybelline Mystery coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Maybe the higher value of the 4 or maybe the lower value. We can assume the $3 off right now. So you can pay or roll $6.98 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is Iris Spring Body Wash deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB, and this time they have the limit 1 per household. So make sure to don't buy 2 more. So this time they have the only limit 1 per household. And it's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Iris Spring Body Wash is $7.98. It's $3.99 each. You can use 1/3 of 2 Iris Spring Body Wash CVS CRT. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is any speed stick or lady speed stick deal. Buy 2 speed stick and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. And it's on sale, buy 1 get 1 50% off. You can buy 2 speed stick deodorant, it's $5.68. It's $3.79 each in my store. Also you can use 1/3 of 2 speed stick CVS CRT. Use 50 cents of speed stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $1.68 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 31 cent money maker. My next deal is Tresemme hair care deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale 2 for $10. You can buy 2 Tresemme shampoo or conditioner, whatever you want. So it's $10. You can use 1/3 of 10 Tresemme hair care CVS CRT. Use 1/4 of 2 Tresemme hair digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $3 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1 or 50 cents each. But if you have the insert coupon 4 of 2, it's glitch with the digital coupon. So if you have the insert, you can use the in this transaction to get the free product. My next deal is Epic Beauty Event Cosmetic deal. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB and spend 40 and get back $15 ECB. That one has a limit up to $15. So you can buy 1 Revlon cream eyeshadow, it's $8.59. Also you can buy 2 Revlon Photo Ready concealer, it's $21.58. It's $10.79 each. Also you can buy 1 Revlon mascara, it's $9.99. So my totals come out $40.16. You can use 1/6 of 40 any facial care, cosmetic and vitamin CVS CRT. Use $3 of Revlon CVS instant coupon. That coupon is printed this week. Also you can use $3 of Revlon eye digital coupon and use $3 of eye printable coupon on coupon.com. Also you can use $3 of Revlon face digital coupon and use $3 of Revlon face printable coupon. So the total coupon is $21. You can pay or roll $19.16 and get back $15 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $1.16 or 29 cents each. My next deal is household deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. So you can buy one child liquid 37 to 46 FLOs, that is $5.94. Also you can buy 1 Bounty paper towel, it's $12.99, and buy one Samin Ultra Mega Roll 12 CT, it's $12.99. So the totals come out $31.92. You can use 1/4 of 20 any paper product CVS CRT. Use $2 of tile liquid digital coupon. So the total coupon is $6. We have in our CVS app the Charmin and Bounty paper towel manufacturer coupon, it's $2 off. But I try to check and none of the product it's attached with this manufacturer coupon, because the price on the sale is $12.99 and the coupon says it's $15 and up and greater value. But check back on Sunday if you can add to your card this digital coupon. If you buy this one, it's maybe the minus or not minus. So check on the Sunday and make sure to check before checkout. You can check your total. So right now I just I'm not adding the $2 off coupon because I'm not sure it's taking off or not. So my total is $25.92 and get back $10 ECB. So my final cost all this product is $15.92 or $5.30 each. My next deal is Select Men Degree X or Dove personal care deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB, and that one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale. Buy one get one 50% off. So you can buy 2 Degree Man deodorant, it's $8.68. It's buy one get one free. Buy one get one 50% off and it's $5.79 each. But make sure to check because they say Select Men deodorant or body wash. So maybe you can check it's buy one get one 50% off, then you can purchase the product. You can use $3 of Dove Men X Degree deodorant body wash CVS CRT. Use $1 of Degree Woman or Men digital coupon. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $4.68 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.68 or $1.34 each. My next deal is Kellogg's or Post cereal deal. It's on sale $1.99 each. You can buy 2 Kellogg's Fruit Loops 12 oz, it's $3.98, but make sure to check which cereal it's included. So you can use $1 of 2 cereal digital coupon and use $1 of Kellogg's cereal printable coupon. That coupon it's possibly glitch with the digital. So the total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $1.98. So my final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is all Hershey's Snicks size or Butterfinger candy deal. It's on sale 3 for $8. So you can buy 2 Hershey's Kit Kat snack size candy, it's $8. You can use $2 of 8 any candy CVS CRT. Use $2 of 3 Hershey's snack size candy CVS instant coupon, it's printed this week, and use $2 of Hershey's snack size CVS instant coupon, it's available on next week. So my total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $2. So the final cost is only just $2 or 66 cents each. My date is wrong, so assume the printed in this week and available on next week. But if you have the insert coupon for the Butterfinger candy $2 of 3, you can stack this deal and you can get the free candy if you have 2 of 8 candy CVS CRT and buy the Butterfinger candy. So possibly it's free candy if you have the insert coupon. My last and final deal is CVS Health Blood Pressure Monitor or CVS Pulse Oximeter deal. Buy 1 CVS pulse oximeter and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy one CVS pulse oximeter. It's $49.99. You can use one $10 of CVS Health oximeter, CVS CRT. Pay or roll $39.99 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $29.99 each. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.